Hi, this is Ramu, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In last class, we have seen various kinds of functions based on the calling as well as the type of functions. Right? In today's class, we are going to see inter-function communication as well as parameter passing mechanisms. First, we will observe the inter-function communication. Means the two functions. It is a kind of function with arguments with written values. What we can do there? See, we're going to two functions are there. The first function is going to send the data to the subfunction, and subfunction is going to send the result back to the main function. Right? This is the parameters and written values, right? Function with parameters and with written values. It comes under the interfunction communication. It is the best example is function with parameters and with written values. This is the best example of this one. Already you have seen in the last class how to perform that one. It should have a written value and it should have a parameters also. This is the best example of interfunction communication. Okay. Coming to the call by value. Means we're going to send the data to the subfunction, right? And if you perform some value, means based on the values, if you perform values, means whatever you're using the mechanism is called as a call by value. This is the call by value. What we are going to do here? See, this is a subfunction, and what is that? You forgot that. See, wide add of and a comma b. Two variables are there. Int of a equal to 10, c, b equal to 10. Two variables are there. You are sending here, right? Int of a comma int of b. Whatever it may be. So you just leave it this one. And what I am going to do here, a equal to a plus plus. You just increment that value. And b plus plus, call by value. This is the call by value call, right? If you print percentage d and percentage d comma a comma b, right? If you use the same data here also after calling, right? See, what is the output you are going to get here? If you run this code, the first time I'm going to 11 11 and second time 10 10. The reason is here I have incremented, right? Here I have incremented. That is why I'm going to update 11 11 here. But here the value is 10 10 only. This is called as a call by value. Call by value means the data updation is possible only in the subfunction. It is not reflected on the main function. This is clear? Call by value. Call by value means the data which you update in the subfunction, it is not reflected in the main function. Just you are sending the copy of variables. How it is works means, see, this is A, right? And this is B. And this is your data 10. And this is your data 10. Call by value, what happened? When you send the data here, then int A, int B means here also it creates a one more set of variables, A and B, right? Here also data is 10 and data is 10. What do you mean? A plus plus B plus plus means this value is goes to 1 and this value goes to 11. And when you print, you're getting the 11 and 11. But when you are going to print here what is the data? 10 and 10 only, right? That is why here I am going to get 10, 11 and 11. Here I am going to get 10 and 10. This is clear? It is going to create two copies of data. Call by value means two copies of data. Right? We are going to update only one copy, right? So what about the other? Other will get the same data. That is the reason we are going to get the 11, 11 and 10, 10. It is called as a call by value. So what about call by reference? What is the meaning of call by reference? Instead of sending the value, we are going to send the address. See, address is a, if you send the address means If you perform updation on the address, by default it is going to reflect on the here also. See, instead of sending, I'm going to use addresses. See, ampersand, using ampersand A and ampersand B. You know that A means, A is the value 10. Ampersand A means this is the address of A. How it is going to represent means, see, please observe clearly here. Here what I am going to do, this is A, right? When you create a and B, and what you are going to do here? Here you store 10 and here you store 10. Already I told you every variable has a one address, right? So we will discuss very clearly in the pointer section, right? Every address has a one address. What I am going to do? So here int A, int B. See, if you want to catch addresses, that should be a pointer variable. That should be a pointer variable. Star A and star B. Star A and star B. See, this time also we are getting the same. Here A and B, and this has some different address, right? 2000 and 2004. But here the difference is, instead of sending the values, what you send? Address, right? 1000 stored here. And here also 1004 stored here. After that, what you did here, instead of that, you are going to use star A plus plus and star B plus plus. What is the meaning of star A and star B? Means, observe carefully here, star A equal to star into A means what is the value you are going to assign? Ampersand A, right? Ampersand A means by default the value is goes to, when these two comes, by default you just cancel these two things. And A plus plus means it's a 10 like 11 means it is going to update this value as 11. And same star B, right? How star B works? Star B equal to star into B value is ampersand B. What is it? B cancel, star and ampersand cancel, and B plus plus, right? Means this value is goes to 11, right? Now if you print the same program, then you will get 11 and here also data is updated with 11 because here the reference, you just took the reference with the same variable. Oh, sorry. 1 minute. I'm going to tell you why I'm going to get this one. The reason is, here I used A, so it should be used star A, because A means it is going to print the address. Star B means it is going to send the value of the particular address. Star means at address, what is the value is there. See, to run this the data 11, sorry, star A and star B, percentage D, yes, here, sorry, star A, this is the precedence, right? It's going to change the value, that is the reason. Yes, star A and star B. Yes, if you run this code, 11 and 11. Is this clear? So, that is why. So, you should mention the data. See, here, whatever updation is happened here, that is also reflected here. It is a call by value, call by reference. Call by reference means we are going to send the address. Call by value means you are going to send the value only. So value, when you are going to send the value, it is going to be the 2 copies. One copy if you update, the other copy will get the same data. That is the reason. So this is a very important in the interview point of view as well as the exam point of view. There are 2 kinds of parameter passing mechanisms, call by value and call by reference. Try to understood using this diagram. Here you are sending the addresses, not the values. That is why few updation is happened in the subprogram is also happened in the main program. Most of the students are confused why it is going to happen, because it is going to be the 2 copies of data. That is why call by value is not going to reflect the same kind of data. Only call by reference is going to update the data. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Right. In the next class, we will see the new topic.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.